Do you want to know how to make easy tandoori style chicken drumsticks? This is a quick marinade recipe with some yogurt. We've got some oil, garlic, ginger and tandoori spices that will really spice up your chicken pieces. It has paprika, cumin, ground turmeric and coriander in this spice mix. You can also use tandoori masala spice mix to put over your chicken, or a combination of all the spices. So what I do is I place all my spices on a plate so I know exactly what I'm putting in there. Then you want to dry roast those spices to release the aromas. I say do this for about 30 seconds or so until you kind of smell the fragrance. So let that cool slightly and then it's ready to use for the marinade. So I'm going to blend all the ingredients together to make this lovely spice mix. So I've got some ginger and garlic and all those roasted spices that I did earlier. Then I'm going to add in some salt and I'm going to add in some yogurt as well. Tip in a little bit of olive oil in there as well, and then blitz everything to a fine paste. So the paste is lovely and smooth like this, great to marinate our chicken pieces in. You can also add some chili flakes or chili powder in there as well. So I've made a few slashes on my chicken drumsticks so the spice mix will really permeate the meat. Pour everything over and pop it in the fridge for about 2 to 3 hours. Give everything a good mix with your hands, get stuck in, make sure the marinade is all mixed in really well. So when you're ready to cook, place the drumsticks on a grill rack, ready to go under the grill. So make sure you turn them over halfway through cooking to get an even lovely golden cook. And then that's it, it's done. Lovely chicken drumsticks with tandoori style spice mix, perfect for a family get together or party. The recipe is up on my blog, see below in the description. Please like and subscribe and I'll see you soon.